Everyone, I'm just creating this video about how you could submit the Google Doc handout for classwork. So here is the example I'm showing you. This will be something similar that you'll be seeing in my classroom as well. So if you take a look at on the side, there's a one with the Google Doc and another with the PDF file. This PDF file is for you to just have some reference to the lesson, so don't worry about this part. You'll have all the information that you need for this lesson, but what you really need to work on is clicking this handout portion. And by the way, I am a student here, so you'll see your name pops up over here, which is good. So first I'll start typing my name here. It should be your name as well. And then you are going to watch a video, so click the link, watch the video about whatever the topic that you're going to be seeing. For this case, it is about the intro to Radian. So you should be watching all these videos.
You are by now
and which
probably used.
I'm not going to watch. I'm going to skip over for the purpose of this video, but it has two video questions that you need to answer after you're done watching. So this is what theories about the video offers the possible reason why we refer to full rotation of 360 degree. So click the favorite color of your choice that is not the same as the questions and answer the question. Answer the question here like this. And same thing happens for this question. You should be answering whatever what proportion does the usage. So yeah, it could be like they, let me change the color here. They use the proportion like blah blah blah. So whatever the answer that you see should be something like this. You should be taking notes as you watch the videos here. So like they talked about the radian measure, radian. Let me use the different colors. The radian measure is 2. So if let's say versus degree measures here. So you could take a note something like this. I'm just changing the typos. So one thing that if you want to type the math equation, you should go to insert and equations. So if I want to type 2 pi, and if you see over here the Greek letter pi is here, equals to 360 degree. I'm looking for degree symbol somewhere here. Yes, this should be the degree symbol or something like that. You could have a note. I'm copying the same thing, and you know that a pi radian measure is equal to 180 degree. So have some notes in there. At least 3 to 4 key information should be in this sections. And once you are done, I want you to click this link or the link that you will be seeing on the Google Classroom should be there. And also make sure you answer the deeper understanding questions over here. If you feel like it's hard for you to type the math equations to the Google Doc, just have a separate sheet of notes and upload the image to the Google Classroom. So once you show all the work on the separate sheet of paper, just mention that please see the attached file for work. Just mention that you are attaching another file in the section that wherever the section that you are going to be attaching, and so that I will make sure I will take care of that. So you are done here, but make sure, so if I go back here and click the handout that you just did, there should be all the things saved are ready for you. So don't worry about losing the work that you already did. But make sure before you submit, you are going to actually attach the file. So I'll click add or create, but I'm going to attach the file that I show my work. So I took a picture of it, which is this one. So I'm attaching that. It'll be good for you to label the file. But I know that you already did it, so don't worry too much about it. So once it is done, before you do submit anything, you can always see what you did. And for this one as well, you can see that you show the work here. It could be the image file. It depends on how you take a picture or to scan the file in PDF. And make sure you press turn in for you to actually submit it. And you will see there's another 3 things pops up. Turn in. Then you are done. Let's say if you made a mistake and you want to upload it again, you could always press unsubmit, and then you are unsubmitting it, and you could add more files to it to submit it back again. So I'm not adding anything yet, so this should be fine. You just class turn in, and you are done for the day. Just wait for us to grade your work, and then that's it for the classwork for the day. All right, thank you for watching the video, and